Let me show you how easy it is to align and distribute objects in Affinity Publisher. So here we are, I got this messy composition here. I'm going to click outside and make this selection to catch all of the objects at once, just like that. Then head to the alignment panel at the top here. After you open it up, you will have option to align horizontally, vertically, but also resize those elements to have a same rotation, height or width. So that's a nice new addition in version 2.4. So first I will align them vertically, just like that. As you can see, the spaces between those objects are not equal, so we can use now the horizontally option, but we will pick the last thing called space horizontally. After that, I got equal spaces between those four objects. As you can see, the last circle here is way smaller than the first one. And let's try to make those objects who have the same height and maintain aspect ratio. So we will need to click same height, but also same width, like that. This way we got them all in the same size. To be sure, take a look that the spacing is still highlighted. It should be like pressed down, it should be black like that. Perfect. Now I click apply, and this way we very quickly align, distribute and resize our objects. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. You can learn more about Affinity Publisher in the next video.